Welcome to Leadership Development. This comprehensive guide will help you discover your leadership potential and create a personalized plan for growth. Whether you're stepping into a leadership role for the first time or looking to enhance your existing skills, this journey will equip you with the essential tools and mindsets needed to lead effectively. Leadership is the ability to inspire, guide, and influence others towards achieving common goals. A true leader doesn't just manage tasks. They empower their team, communicate vision clearly, and create an environment where people feel valued and motivated. Leadership is about character, integrity, and the genuine desire to make a positive impact on those around you. Every strong leader is built on three core pillars. Vision, which means having a clear sense of direction and purpose. Integrity, which is about being honest, reliable, and consistent in your words and actions. And influence, which is the ability to motivate and inspire others to take action. These three pillars work together to create leadership that people respect and follow. To become an effective leader, you need to develop 5 essential competencies. Self-awareness, understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and how you impact others. Emotional intelligence, managing your emotions and empathizing with your team. Communication, conveying ideas clearly and listening actively. Decision-making, analyzing problems and choosing the best path forward. And finally, adaptability, being flexible and responsive to change. Before you can grow, you need to understand where you stand today. Take time for honest self-reflection. Ask yourself, what are my natural strengths as a leader? Where do I struggle? What feedback have I received from others? You can use tools like personality assessments, feedback from trusted colleagues, or journaling to gain clarity. This assessment becomes your starting point for development. Once you know your current state, it's time to set specific, measurable goals. Instead of saying, I want to be a better leader, be precise. For example, I will improve my active listening skills by having one-on-one conversations with each team member every 2 weeks. Or, I will develop my strategic thinking by reading 1 business book per month and applying 1 concept to my work. Clear goals give you direction and a way to measure progress. Your development plan is your personalized roadmap for growth. It includes 3 key elements. First, skill development, where you identify specific skills to improve and the resources you'll use. Second, mentorship and feedback, where you find mentors or coaches who can guide you and provide honest input. And third, real-world practice, where you apply what you're learning in your actual work environment. A strong plan combines all 3 elements. You don't have to develop alone. There are many resources available. Books and courses provide foundational knowledge. Mentors and coaches offer personalized guidance based on their experience. Peer groups and communities allow you to learn from others facing similar challenges. Your organization may offer leadership training programs, and reflective practices like journaling help you process what you're learning. Choose a combination of resources that work best for you. Having a plan is just the beginning. Implementation is where real transformation happens. Build daily habits that support your goals. Small, consistent actions compound over time. Establish accountability by sharing your progress with mentors, peers, or coaches. External accountability keeps you committed. Monitor and measure your progress weekly. Celebrate your wins and learn from any setbacks. Finally, remember that leadership development is never complete. Review and refine your plan every 3 months. You now have a framework for developing yourself as a leader. Start by assessing your current strengths and identifying growth areas. Build a personalized plan that combines skill development, mentorship, and real-world practice. Then take action. Every great leader was once where you are now. The difference is they took intentional, consistent action to develop themselves. Your leadership journey begins with a single step. Start building your plan today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.